wondering aloud how we feel today. Last night sipped the sunset, my hand in her hair. We are our own saviors as we start, both our hearts beating live into each other. Wondering aloud, will the years treat us well? As she floats in the kitchen, I'm tasting the smell. Yeah. Of toast as the butter runs, then she comes spilling crumbs on the bed, and I shake my head. And it's only the giving that makes you what you are.
To the cinema and leave you in a wimpy bar. You tell me that we've gone too far, come running up to me. Make the scene at Cousin Jack's, leave him to put the bottles back. Mends his glasses that are cracked, well that's one up to me. Hey. Buy a silver cloud to ride, pack the tennis club inside, trouser cuffs hung far too wide, well it was up to me. Tires down on your bicycle, you know it feels like an icicle. The yellow-fingered smoky girl is looking up to me. Yeah. I'm a common working man, with a half of bitter bread and jam. And if it pleases me, I'll put one on your man when the copper fades away. Oh, it's up to me. Season comes to pass, the day-glow pirate sinks at last. And if I laughed a bit too fast, well, it was up to me. Take you to the cinema and leave you in a wimpy bar. You tell me that we've gone too far, come running up to me. Hey. Me. down upon your son. Yeah, was busy with his money games, his women and his guns. But Jesus saved me. And the unsung Western hero, he killed an Indian or three, and then he made his name in Hollywood to set the white man free. But Jesus saved me. Ow. If Jesus saves, well, he'd better save himself from the gory glory seekers who use his name in death. Ow! Oh, Jesus save me. If Jesus saves, well, he better save himself from the gory glory seekers who use his name in death. Ow! Oh, Jesus save me. Well, I saw him in the city and on the mountains of the moon. Yeah. His cross was rather bloody. Oh, but they could hardly roll his stone. And Jesus saved me. Yeah. Ow. As I did walk by Hampstead Fair, I came upon Mother Goose. So I turned her loose as she was screaming. And the foreign student said to me, was it really true? There are elephants and lions too in Piccadilly Circus. Walked down by the bathing pond to try and catch some sun. Saw at least 100 schoolgirls sobbing into handkerchiefs as one. I don't believe they knew I was a schoolboy. And the bearded lady said to me, if you start your raving and you're misbehaving, you'll be sorry. And the chicken fancier came to play with his long red beard and his sister's witch. She drives a lorry.
bickering and digging up their gold. I don't believe they knew that I was Long John Silver. Johnny Scarecrow make his rounds in his Jet's black Mac, which he won't get back, stole it from a snowman. As I did walk by Hampstead Fair, I came upon Mother Goose, so I turned her loose as she was screaming. Some sun. Must have been at least 100 schoolgirls sobbing into handkerchiefs as one. I don't believe they knew I was a schoolboy.
Playground.